So let's move on to class. So last class we had discussed about how to set up, how to create instance in AWS, and so how to install Jenkins server in AWS Linux server, and so how to configure, right? So how to enable that service and all. Once that is done, and so how to create jobs. Only Windows and Linux, the only one difference is installation part. So the only one difference is installation part. So apart from this, both are same only, Linux environment as well as Windows environment. So now, so if you first, this is my AWS account, and if you already last class we created, right? So this is my Jenkins server. Yet, so yesterday last class I created. This is my Jenkins server, and this is my Jenkins server. Go to action, and so go to state and start the instance. So whenever if you want to start the instance, these are the options. So last class already we know, right, how to create a instance and all. Instance is nothing but this is the one operating system. Just in Windows we are using Windows operating system, right? Same way in Windows we are using Windows operating system, and the same way in Linux we are using Linux operating system. That's it. Nothing. Both are same only. Only flavor will change. Now, so this is my, as of now I am using, so now this is my Linux server. So this is the Linux, and so here my Jenkins server is running. So here my Jenkins server is running. So here my Jenkins server is running. Now how we can access with the help of public IP address. Now this is my, I given name is server name, I given Jenkins server, and just now I started, right? We have to wait up to status 2 by 2. Check the hardware and software components. So whether it is all are working or not. It is initializing. Initializing means just it is starting the mission, and it is checking whether your all hardware devices properly working or not, and all your right, so softwares that is properly working or not. So related to this instance only, related to this instance. Once your instance is ready, so once your instance is ready, and once your instance is ready, so once your instance is ready, so how to check whether my Jenkins server running or not? In Windows we are using service.msc, right? So first let me connect this instance. So how to connect this? So first it is ready, and so just click on that instance ID, click on this instance ID, and so there is a connect button is there. See here, connect. If we click on connect, and we are using SSH client, so we are connecting secure way only, SSH-I, and this is my PM file, this Linux PM file. So this is my default username, my Linux username, and this is the public DNS name. Okay, or we can use public IP also, both are same only. So copy this, and how to connect this instance and all. Now I want to connect this instance. Now this is my Jenkins server, Linux Jenkins server. So with the help of this one only we are connecting. So with the help of this one only we are connecting. So we are using this is the actual command sh hyphen. So where is your PM file? Go to that path. So where is your PM file? Go to that. So go to path, PM file path, dot PM file path, and so execute this command. That's it. Now already last class I downloaded, right? So go to here, and so this is my PM file. This is a PM file, public and private key, right? So mark key Linux. So last class already I created, and this is my file. Right click and open git bash. So I hope many people already know how to connect and all. So this is the, okay. Now just already copied, right? Just paste it. Now if you give like this, now it is asking, are you want to connect, continue connecting? Yes. So I connected my Linux. So see here, this is my default username, ec2-user. So ec2-user, and this is my IP address. If you want to, we can go and check it, 172.31.1787. If you go here, and so go to instances, and if you click on this and see here, this is the 172.31.87. This is the private IP address. This is my private IP address. So this is my private IP address. So this is my private IP address. Now, so once that is done, now we want to check how to check whether my Jenkins server is running or not. So last class we use, right? What is the command? System ctl status. Now got it, right? So same only. Whatever service you want to check it, so we can use systemctl status Jenkins. Okay. Now already Jenkins server is running. So Jenkins server is running. Now how to access our Jenkins server? So how to? In Windows we are using localhost, right? But here localhost it won't work. Copy this one or else this one. Anyone. This is the public DNS name. This is the public IP. Copy this one. Go to browser and paste it. And so what is the default port number? Same.
In
Windows or Linux wherever in real time. My project also, my server also, we are using same port number only. Default port number 8080. Now see it is asking username password, and so we are login your username password, that's it. Now see here, so now I can able to access my Jenkins server. My all jobs already last class I created, right? So it is this way. Now today we are going to discuss so very important topic in so real time as well as interval also. Okay, very important. So how to configure master and slave, how to configure master and slave. Now, if you come to real time, so this is the topic is master and slave, and there is a one option available. If you go to Jenkins server, go to manage Jenkins, and so here, so there is a one option is that manage nodes and clouds. So this is very important. Manage nodes and clouds. So what is manage nodes and clouds? Now, now I have a Linux instance. Now I have a Linux instance. Now, if I run any build, where this build is running, anyone expect? Now, this is my job, right? This is my project. Now, if I click on this project, if I click on build now, where this is executing, where it is
Linux.
executing, same
Mhm.
Linux machine only. This is your Linux server. That is means this is your server. So now this is your server, right? So
Yes.
in this server already some path somewhere it is executing, right? So that path and all we can find here also. Now see here, this is the build. Now 6, right? Click on this and go to console output, and this is your workspace. Now see here, variable lib Jenkins workspace. This is my job name. This is my project name, correct? So this is my, now understand. If you want to check it, go to here, go to here and cd space and give that path. This is your so Jenkins workspace, Jenkins installation path. In interview also one or two guys they asked, so what is default Jenkins installation path in Linux machine? So variable lib Jenkins workspace. Now if you go to here, and this is our job. Now see here, your project source code, all files, whatever repository you configure, you can see. So actually this is your td dot dot means come outside directory. So this is all jobs we can see here. All jobs we can see here. See here, DevOps dev, Maven web projects. This is the temp directory, leave it. Now we can see if any build is succeeded. Now we can check all these things. Now this only we can see this one, and only we can see. This is not at started. Click so just if we click on this, build now, already is there, right? Maybe that is different path they configure. Now, so this is the, if we create any job. Now if I create any job, I am not going to select anything. DevOps just I am selecting a just stage job name, freestyle. Okay. Now this is the this is the okay. If you create any job and all, by default your all jobs are running only master. Master is nothing but where is your Jenkins server is running. So this is nothing but master. This is your workspace. This is your workspace. Now if you check it, now see here one more job also we can see. Just now I created, right? So now March 6, just now I created DevOps stage. Now if you come to here, what is master and slave? So this is very. If you see here Jenkins master and slave. if you use slave means, now if we come to here, images. Now if we come to here, how it will work. Now this is very important. Now this is my master slave architecture. How it will work? Master slave architecture means, so generally in real time. So this is select new. Now this is the, just assume this is my Jenkins server. This is the enterprise Jenkins server. In real time, we are calling, there is two types of names mostly we are calling in real time: standalone Jenkins server, standalone Jenkins server, and so second one is enterprise Jenkins server. Enterprise, enterprise, so Jenkins server. So standalone means, now this is my Linux machine, right? This is the Linux operating system, OS. And so here I already I configure my Jenkins server. Jenkins server, Jenkins server, and just assume. So this is my enterprise Jenkins server. This is my enterprise Jenkins server. So this is my enterprise Jenkins server. So enterprise Jenkins server means organization level, all projects, all jobs running here only. We are maintaining only one server, Jenkins server, that is on-site or offshore. That is secondary. Just assume now my Jenkins server is enterprise Jenkins server. So enterprise Jenkins server means in organization level, almost all Jenkins jobs, if any project, all whatever job, how many projects they have, all related that project jobs and all we are running here only. All are running. Now you know, right? This is the path. Now this is the path default PW. So this is the default Jenkins server. So installation path. Correct? Anyone any doubt as of now?
No, sir.
Now
Carry on.
all jobs running here only. Now just assume I have a company, ABC company or XYZ company. So in this company, so my nearly I have 100 or 200 projects, 200 projects. Now 200 related projects, 200 projects related jobs. I 200 projects means at least each project assume four jobs. 200 into 4, 400, 400 jobs running in this year. So total I have 200 projects, whole organization level, world wise. Okay. So global wise I have 200 projects in my organization, ABC organization. Just assume. And each project also we have development job, we have testing job, like just assume. Okay, 400 jobs running in Jenkins server. Now we know, right? So if 400 jobs running in same Jenkins server, obviously the server goes down, right? There is a memory issue, there is a space issue. Now understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, obviously it will goes down. Now see here, and also just assume I have these many branches. Just assume India, I have Chennai one branch, I have Bangalore one branch, I have Hyderabad also one, just South India I am giving. If you understand nothing, very simple only. This is Chennai and this is a Bangalore and this is the so Hyderabad branch. Just assume in Hyderabad. So Chennai, just assume. So here, so Chennai branch, just 10 projects are running. Chennai, 10 projects. Okay. In Bangalore, just 15 projects running. This is a hierarchy. Why you go for master and slave, and what is advantages, and what is now disadvantage. Just assume 5 projects running. Now, each 5 projects means, so each project at least just assume 4 members or at least 5 members, right? So 5 in 10 into 5, how many members working in a Chennai branch? 50. Just assume for our understanding purpose. Correct? In Bangalore, at least I am giving a count 15 into 5, 75 people. and here 5. Just average I'm giving 25 people working. Now, okay, no problem. How many people working? You don't worry, right? Now, so now all are, this is the enterprise Jenkins server, and this is a Chennai branch, this is the Bangalore branch, this is the Hyderabad branch. All are created jobs where enterprise Jenkins server, correct? Now all jobs running here only. Now here also I am created jobs and all creating only jobs and all we are creating only master only. That is Jenkins server. This is just assume this server reside in US. So this is US. Just assume this is in US. This is the enterprise Jenkins server. We are maintaining also US only. So my all organized related jobs and all running only that particular Jenkins server only. Now, so these projects running all projects created here only. But if anyone run the job, so mostly all jobs running here only, right? Jenkins server,
Yes, sir.
master. Now just assume this Jenkins server only I have a 64 GB RAM, just for your understanding purpose, and so 500 GB hard or SS something. So if everyone running same mission, obviously the server goes down, right? Many
Yes.
jobs running parallel means maybe space issue, maybe that performance issue. We are getting some issues. Now how to handle this situation? Now that is the first point. Now second point. Now, I want to suppose one job is failed. Now, where is your work? So that job location, this Jenkins server only, right? Master. Now, I am sitting Chennai. I am working Chennai branch. Now, I want to do some modification my existing job. For example, I want to see that logs and all. Now, so generally these servers are connecting via SSH only. Don't confuse here. All are connecting via SSH. That is nothing but private key only, public or private key. So all servers. So now we are here. So this is a Chennai, this is a Bangalore. So if anyone connected to this mission, so we via SS only we are connecting. That is not a problem. But these many people here 50, here 75 people, here 25 people. See 150 people. So daily we are connected to this mission. So this is very big headache in real time. This server is running off on site. So but we are sitting in offshore. Now, if I want to give access, this jobs and all, actually this jobs and all where it is running in this mission only, right? So here only it is running. This many jobs running. This is my Jenkins server Linux mission. But where is this Linux mission? US or UK? Okay. Now I am sitting Chennai. Now I want to access my job. How to access it? This is the one more big problem in real time. So we are this network people. They won't allow to connect this mission directly. So this is the security breaches. So if you want to access this server, and we need to raise many tickets, and also they won't allow all people. See here, if 150 people daily they are accessing this server means maybe you don't know, right? So maybe server problem or these people they can do something, these people they can do something, correct? How can I provide access this all 150 people to this LinkedIn server? This is the one more big problem in real time. But how to overcome this situation? Now to overcome this situation, now the concept is master and slave. This is the master. Master is nothing but main server, Jenkins server. All jobs and all we are creating here only. But whenever if I run my job, now this just assume, so this is the DevOps project. This is the DevOps project, and in Chennai location it is running. If I run this job, jobs and all created here only. If I run this job, I want to move, I want to select, I want to run this job in particular Chennai location. So here I am going to create one mission, slave mission. In Chennai we are maintaining one slave mission. In Bangalore we are maintaining separate slave. This is also same one instance only. This is one server only. In Bangalore also I am maintaining one slave server. Now whenever if I run my Chennai jobs and all available here only. We are creating here only. If I run any job here, I want to trigger this job. I want to occupy this, right? Right? Job location, workspace and all. I want to move to in this location, Chennai location. The workspace and all I want to select here. Now I am sitting Chennai only, Chennai office. Now I can access this server, right? Now got it? There is no security issues. No need to give anything. No need to ask anything. So directly we can access. You are in also Chennai office, but the server also residing Chennai office. All are in same network. So no need to ask anything. There is no security issues. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Now here also same. This is the slave mission, Bangalore location. So now all Bangalore projects, all jobs are here only. But while running this job, so I want to select this mission where we want to trigger this job. In this mission, I want to run. Now the workspace and all see this job location. This is all jobs we can see in this particular slave mission. Now these people no need to ask any securities, no need to ask any network people. There is no security problems. So directly we can access it. Now Hyderabad, we are also maintaining one slave mission. This slave is nothing but don't think beyond. So this is just like one instance. That's it. Only for workspace purpose. Okay, your job running purpose. Now, now my jobs are running here only. Now see here we can decrease burden to your enterprise Jenkins server. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Only jobs we created here while running your job. Here we are selecting label. There is a one label is there. Label where you want to run. Label. Label means so here we can select Chennai label or Hyderabad label. We are giving some name. We are giving some proper name. So where you want to trigger your job. If you understand this one, nothing. So this is the main advantage of master and slave. Suppose if you don't have many jobs, if you have only one or two projects, so no need to maintain slave machines and all. But in real time, right? Organization means many projects, many jobs running parallelly. If all jobs running here means, so obviously the server goes down. Enterprise Jenkins server. Now I don't want like that. I have only one server, but I want to split these jobs and all different locations, different slave machines based on region, based on your projects running. So, but all are connecting via SSS only, secure way only. Now, got it? Anyone, any doubt here? So, this is main. Now, if you understand this, nothing. So, now see here how it will connect. This is the Windows slave, and this is the, and also here we can create multiple slaves also. So, if you want to, we can maintain Windows also, or Linux also, or Mac OS. Just assume this slave mission. Anyway, here I am going to create all slaves under Linux only. Or if you want to, we can create Windows also. This slave missions. Or if you want to, we can create Mac also. That is based on your requirement. Based on your requirement only. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
So now this is very important. In real time as well as interview purpose, 99 people, 99% they will ask. So what is Jenkins architecture? What is Jenkins master and slave configuration architecture? So very simple if you want to understand. So this is. So now if you come to here, see here, Jenkins master and slave architecture, how it will work. So Jenkins master act as schedule the job, assign slaves and send bills to slave to execute the job. I want to trigger my jobs, particular slave mission with the help of here label. We are calling schedule job means here with the help of label, and whenever trigger my job, Chennai job, I want to trigger, I want to run only in my Chennai location. But jobs and all in master only, but the workspace and all we are configuring here only. So that case we go for master and slave, and it will also monitor the slave state, whether it is offline state, whether it is online state. So online only we can execute your job, whether it is this mission is offline. For example, so this mission is shut down, it won't trigger. For example, if it is running only, it will show online. Suppose this mission is someone shut down or mostly 24 by 7 it is running only. If there is two state we can check it, offline state and online state. So while triggering the job, make sure that whether this server is online or not, and get back to build results response from the slave. So these are the main architecture. So how it will work? See, some cases files may be different code and require multiple builds, and Jenkins server cannot handle multiple builds simultaneously. Even if you run multiple builds simultaneously, so there is a burden to master server. I want to avoid a burden to my master. I want to avoid burden to my Jenkins master's enterprise server. I want to split my jobs to different slave missions. Now we can easily handle, right? So now we can easily handle it. Now we can easily handle it. Got it? Anyone any doubt here? Clear, guys? If it is clear, so let's move on to practical, how it will work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see here. So this is the Jenkins master server, and this is your source code. Remaining story same only as it is. And these are the slave machines. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, IP. With the help of IP, with the help of SS only, I am connecting. So these are the slave machines. We can create multiple slave machines, and all jobs we are creating here only. While triggering the job, that workspace and all, we are move on to, we are so give path here. Which mission you want to trigger? Which mission you want to trigger? So if you understand this theoretically, so let's move on. This is my, just assume, this is my Jenkins enterprise Jenkins server. My all jobs here only. My all jobs. So now I don't have any slave missions. I don't have any slave missions. If I run any job, just now I created, right? So if you run any project, if you run any job, so where is your location? This is your location, Jenkins server location. So I don't want. So I want to run this job different mission. I want to run this job different mission. So if you want to run job different mission, that case we go for so master and slave. Now let me connect. It is timeout. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt theoretically?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. Now coming to here, this is my Jenkins server. Now this is any job if you run means so this is your path and all. This is your already right. So cd space cd slash variable slash lib slash Jenkins Jenkins. Under Jenkins we can see workspace. Where is your workspace? Cd space. This is your all jobs reside here only. ls if we create any jobs and all. Now I don't want, like, I don't want to run, I don't want to give my workspace and all here. I want to give my workspace slave missions. Now how to configure? Now if you want to configure slaves and all, and so first we need to create one mission. So now see here, this is my Jenkins server. Now I need one more mission, right? This is the slave mission. So this slave mission we can select Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, whatever, that is based on your requirement, whatever it may be, which one you want. So anyway, I am giving same mission only. I am going to give. Now click on the launch instance. Click on the launch instance, and so I am giving so Jenkins, or so I am giving so CHN SLAV slave, Chennai slave mission. Okay, and select your so AWS, which in the AMI, which image you want. So I need Linux only, and also free tier. I don't want more, and also instance type T2 micro is enough for me. One CPU, 1 GB memory. One CPU, 1 GB memory enough for me. Just I want to run, right? Slave only. Just a slave only. 1 GB enough. And a key pair. What is my key pair? So last class I created March. This is my key pair. And security group. Security group. Okay. I hope many people know what is security group and all. Next 8 GB enough for me. If you want to more than 8 GB, just increase the size and all. This is the root value. If you want to, anyway, any 8 GB enough for me. So if everything okay, click on the launch instance. Now my slave is ready. Now already this is my Jenkins server. So here my all jobs are running. Now I am going to configure one slave mission. That is Chennai slave. Now how to configure? So once this is done, now second part. So if you want to connect with slave mission, or if you want to run your Jenkins jobs and all, so here Java software is mandatory. So Java is mandatory. So if you want to run Jenkins server, which software mandatory already right? Here also, which software I installed? Java. Without Java, can you run your Jenkins server?
No, sir.
No, interview also they will ask. So what is the mandatory software for Jenkins? If you want to set up Jenkins server, so what is the mandatory? Java is mandatory. In same way, if you want to run your job here, here also Java is mandatory. So remember that one. So just remember that one. Java is mandatory. So Java is mandatory. Now it is ready. Now click on instance, and anyway it is running. Wait, still it is instancing. Once that is done, first let me connect this instance same way. How we are. This is my master enterprise Jenkins server. My all jobs available here. Now I want to set up a one slave mission. How to set up slave and all. So if you want to set up slave and all, so first I need to wait. Just it is initializing. Once instance is ready, let me connect this instance, and I need path. You need to give path, right? In this mission, where you want to trigger, where you want to save your jobs location and all. We need to give workspace path, workspace, workspace path. We need to mention path. Otherwise, it won't allow workspace path and all. So now I need path, right? So first, wait, this is running. Okay. So click on this instance ID, click on the connect and copy this command and same story. So go to here, connect it. Go to PM file. Where is your PM file? Right click, go to connect your git bash, and so just connect your slave also. Okay. Now I am connecting my slave. Yeah. Okay. Now I connected slave. Now I connected slave, and so where we want to save your jobs and all. We want to trigger somewhere, right? So as of now, do we have anything here? No. So right now I am in user. User means this is the default username ec2-user Linux. In Ubuntu, we can see Ubuntu user. So as of now, I don't have. Let me create one directory space, one directory path, anything. That is your wish. How to create directory? mkdir make directory space, and so give any name. So which name you want? So I am giving Chennai or chn hyphen jobs or projects. We can give any name. This is your wish, guys. We can give any name. For your understanding purpose, I given. So so this is the mkdir make directory. This is the directory name. I given directory name. Now ls check it. So directory is created. chn hyphen project. Okay. Now go to this project chn. Now do we have anything? Check it. I don't have anything. So as of now, I don't have anything. So as of now, I don't have anything. See, nothing, right? Now this is my path. So this is my path, PWD, right? Present working directory. So I need this path, that's it. Okay. So if I run any job, I want to come to this path only. So you want to come to this path. This is your, so where you want to trigger your jobs and all. So now copy this. I need this one, that's it. Okay. I created one part. Now second, what I need to do? We need to install the, we need to install the, which one? Java software, correct? So how to install Java software? So in this mission, which version it is running? Let me check it. It is a Hangout, timeout. Okay. Now anyway, I install 11, right? So coming to here, so download Jenkins, google.com. I don't have internet. It is not working. Which internet I connected? 5G only, right? Okay. Download Jenkins. Oops, the FPS device is taken wrong turn. Okay. That is my network speed. Fast dot. Maybe network slow. So now, so if you go to here, download. If you type download Jenkins means, so if you download Jenkins means already know, right? Mm, the request bad. Sometimes browser also sometimes problem. So let me try so different browser. So right, commands, which is my different browser here. I am searching, trying here. So anything coming to here. So download Jenkins. Okay. So now if you click on the so download Jenkins. Now if you go to here Linux, right? Select Red Hat Fedora admin. Now I need this command. That's it. So if you want to same version, I am installing in Jenkins server also. I installed the same version. So that is the reason I copied. Okay, coming to here, first update the packages. How to update? So how to update? M sudo m update -y. If you want to update any packages and all, this is a command. So everything up to date only. No need to update. So now install the Java. Sudo already I copied, right? Just install this particular package. It is asking a dependency installed and front end deviant. Okay, so it is saying like so try to use this command sudo amazon -linux extract. If you use as of now Java is not fully installed. Let me check it. So now see here, paste it. Now install it. Already they given same. This is the so AWS related package only. That's it. Okay. So once Java is ready, now check it whether Java is installed or not. It is running properly or not. We can check it. So now instance ready, slave mission ready, and Java also ready. So now slave Java hyphen version. Java hyphen version. Now see here same version. So in both mission it is running same. Here also I install JDK 11, JDK 11, and so here also I install JDK 11. This is the workspace path already done, and also this is the Java also done. Now if you come to here and so ls, and this is your path, right? cd space Chennai. This is your I want to give this path. I want to save my all projects here only. So if you want to check it, ls, I don't have anything right now. Now coming to an actual task. Okay, now coming to your Jenkins server, coming to your Jenkins server. So coming to your Jenkins server and go to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins, and so this is the option manage nodes and clouds. Click on this. See here, add, remove, control and monitor the various nodes that Jenkins jobs are running. Click on this. Now so now see here, so already here someone they created. So let me delete this also. Where is delete agent? I don't want. Yes, let me create this. Someone is created. Delete this one and delete agent. I don't want. Agent is nothing but a mission, slave mission. Okay, so by default your all jobs running, this is your built-in node. There is nothing but your Linux mission only. See here, architecture Linux only, and so these are the so free temp space. I have 5 GB, and this is the default. Now I want to create my slave mission. So if you see here, new node. If you click on new node, now it is asking node name. Give any name, whatever you want. So anyway, but this is my Chennai, right? CHN node. This is my Chennai node mission. Okay. Next, select this one, permanent agent. Yes, I want to use this permanent. See, add plain permanent agent to Jenkins server. This is called because Jenkins doesn't provide a higher level of the integration between these agents and all. Yes, permanent only. Click on create. Now see here, this is my node name and description. This is Chennai. Just I given Next, how many executors you want? You know, right? How many executors you want? I need 2, 3, 4, or anything, whatever. You know what is executor. And this is your remote root directory. Remote means so help. If you want to know opposite, an agent need to have a directory dedicated to Jenkins specify the path. So just now I created one path, right? This is my path. Okay. Now copy this path. So I want to, this is my, here I want to trigger my bills and all. That's it. So remote root directory where you want to trigger your jobs and all. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? This is very important. So make sure that so in our slave mission, which path your Jenkins jobs so trigger where you want to trigger your jobs and all. This is a location where you want to save, where you want to trigger. Get anyone any doubt here? This is my slave mission path. This is our slave mission path. So this is already I created, right? So this is your slave mission path. Clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. Now coming to here, label name. So basically, so label is the important. Label is nothing but one name. This mission, which name you want to provide? Label name. So for each slave mission, we need to give one label name. So now I need to provide one label name. Label. Label name I am giving here Chennai. Whatever you want. Chennai slave, whatever you want, we can give any name. Chennai slave. I am going to give Chennai slave. So for same way, for each slave mission, we need to give. We can give any name, guys. This is up to, but we need to give meaningful name. I am giving so CHN just a slave. Okay, whatever you want, or we can give same also node name and so without confusion, just give node name and so label name both are same. That is we can easily identify, right? Node name and label name both are same. Or if you want to, we can give different name also. Don't confuse here. Now I'm giving Chennai slave. Okay, that's it. Now usage. Use this node as much as possible. Yes, correct. So use this node as much as possible and launch method. How we need to connect this from Jenkins to your slave mission? How I connect? This is the different Jenkins server. This Jenkins server is running different Linux mission. Now this is another Linux mission. Now how make connection between these two instances? So these many ways we can do it. Many ways we can do it, guys. Now see here, launch agent by connecting the control or launch via agent SSH. Anyway, real time also mostly I am using this one. Launch agents via SSH. Secure way I want to connect. And which mission you want to connect to host? Host is nothing but which instance, which Linux mission. Now coming to here, go to here, go to here, go to instances. What is your mission IP? Slave mission IP. Copy public IP address or copy DNS name. Copy this public IP address. Coming to here, just paste it. That's it. Now, so internal occur HTTP public only, right? I copied
Yes.
public only. Why it is throwing? Okay, only build. This is not a matter. Internal connecting HTTP. Please reload the page. Something. Okay. Anyway, so let me add it. So there is some network call that is not connected. This is the public IP. That's it. Don't do anything. Next, add your credential. So I am connecting. You know, right? How many ways we can add credential? So username with password, GitHub authentication, SS username with private key, secret file, secret text file, right? Now, so already know username with password. Now I am connecting how? SSH username with pass private key, right? Now give the name. So the webs at Chennai, right? I can give so Chennai slave credential. Just description also whatever you want we can give it, and so whatever you want. Actually there is internet issue. Let me refresh it. Again I will create a refresh it, reload it, reload. Now that is gone, right? So now this is Chennai node and remote directory. This is my remote directory, and so copy this remote directory. copy this and coming to here, just to paste it. That's it. That is done. Label name, we can give any name. Say slave mission. Now as much as possible and match label is expression and also via SSH and IP, public IP. Copy this public IP and coming to here, just paste it. That's it. Now see here, no error. Now credential. So click on add credential. So what type credential I have? I have username with private key, right? So select SSH username with private key. Now give ID. We can give any name. Okay, description whatever you want, we can give it. If you are not passing by default Jenkins server and username. Who is the default username here in this mission? Who is the default username?
EC2s.
EC2-user. So EC2-user. EC2-user. And so here I have PM file, right? How I am connecting this instance via PM file, public and private key. Now select that key. Now coming, close this one, go to here. Now see here, there is a private key. Select private key and just add it. Now we need to copy that PM file. So already I have that PM file. So go to here and this is my PM file. Don't change anything. Don't modify anything. So don't do anything. Just edit and copy. That's it. So otherwise it won't work. Control A, Control C, copy. Just close it. That's it. Don't do anything. Otherwise it won't work. So next connecting time we were getting some issue and all. Now I copied, right? Just paste it. That's it. So paste it. This is my private key. This is my PM file. Now I make connection between via SS only. Now see here. So this is Jenkins server. Now how I am making connection between this Jenkins server to my slave mission with the help of SS only. And also here I have PM file and with the help of I am connecting. That's it. SSH with username private key, right? SSH username with private key. See here. So how I am connecting? SSH username with private key. That's it. So once that is done, just save it. Just add it. That's it. Okay. Now, so we selected this one and we select that credential. What is credential? My Chennai, right? This is my Chennai credential. Now, so host key verification strategy. This is not mandatory. If you want to, we can select manually tested my verification strategy. I added, right? Select that one. That's it. And availability. Keep this agent online as much as possible. That's it. So remaining all are basic only, no need to change anything. So if you want to, we can change also baseline requirement. Just save. So my slave mission are running. See here, this is one more node. Earlier we can see only one built-in node. This is nothing but your master node. Now just now I created one more node. What is my node name? CHN node. And for this node I given one label name. Correct? So how many executors? See here, only one executor I added. So in real time also we can see same multiple slave missions we can see in real time. In real time we can see multiple slave missions. In real time we can see multiple slave. Now it is offline means here you can see int mark red int. It is online means now see here there is no red mark and all. So this is online only. This is online. Now one part also done. This part also done. Connection this is also done. Now let me create one job in Jenkins server. How to create it? So go to dashboard and so coming to here and I'm creating so DevOps hyphen CHI. Now I'm giving a job name also Chennai and select freestyle or anything whatever remaining story same only. Select and okay. Now now apply save. Now apply save. I think that is my network problem. Wait, dashboard. So Chennai anyway it is created. So now see here. Now I am going to run the job. Now anyone expect this job is running where? Here or here? Jenkins master or slave mission? As of now I did many things, right? Now anyone guess? Now a connection also done. This is also done. This is also done. Now I created job also. Now I'm going to trigger the job. See here. Mhm. Now anyone guess it? Where it will run? There's some error. What is the error? Go to output, command execution fail. I think there is network. Let me create one more job, no problem. So new and so DevOps hyphen HYD. I'm giving freestyle only. Just okay. Now it is creating, right? Apply. Save. Now I'm clicking the build now. If I build now means now where it is running, see here, it is running. Anyone guess it is running here or it is running here as of now? Actually,
Masters.
master ready and slave also ready. I made connection between master to slave also, everything done. Here work path, everything done. Now, just now I created one job. Just now I created job DevOps hyphen HYD or DevOps hyphen so Chennai. Let me create anyway. I given Chennai only, right? So let me delete this job. Again, I will recreate it. Delete this project. Okay. Now create new item. You can easily understand. CHN hyphen CHN. Okay. Freestyle job or my one, whatever that is your wish. Select this one and so apply. Save. Now if I build now, so this job is running only here as of now here because I didn't select my label name, right? So where I want to run this job, I didn't select anything. I didn't mention anything. Now see here, job is done. That build is done. Now if we click on this, if you go to output, now see here where it is running, variable lib Jenkins workspace. What is this path? Your Jenkins master workspace path, correct? Now what
Correct.
is my target? I want to run my job here in this mission, slave mission. In this mission I want to run. Now how to run? Now this is very important. Interview also they will ask. So where we can configure, go to job, go to job, go to configure, go to configure. Now here there is one option is there, restrict where this project can be run. As of now I didn't select, right? Restrict where this project can be run. Now select this one. If you select means it is asking a label expression. What is your slave mission label name? Just enter it. Chennai slave, right? Chennai slave. This is my name. This is my name. This is my name. Now see here, label Chennai slave matches one node. Yes, sir. So it is matches. Now let me come to here. Before running that job, do we have anything here in particular path? Let me check it. So now see here ls td space Chennai projects. So let me check it. Now see, I don't have anything. These are the default jars and all downloaded. So I install Java, right? I configure via sh username private key, right? So automatically it is downloaded necessary jars and all. You don't worry. No need to worry. Now anyway, I don't have any jobs here. Now coming to here, I selected Sunrise Slave Mission. Now apply. Now save. Now build now. Now observe here. Now this job is running master or slave. Now it is running here or it is running here. It is running
Slaves.
slave mission. Now check it exactly it is running or not. So second build, right? Click on the build number and go to console output and see. Now see here.
Yes.
Now if you go to first build, actually in first build I didn't select, right? Now if you see here, go to console output. It is running master only. Variable lib Jenkins. Now in second build I selected so where I want to trigger this build I selected, right? So I selected. Now come to here whether really it is come to here or not. So now ls. Now see here workspace Jenkins workspace created cd space workspace and now you can see that job name only DevOps hyphen Chennai. Now I have doubt. Sir, if you come to Jenkins server, here we can see many projects, right? Many jobs. But if I come to slave mission, I can see only one project. Now clear? Why we can see only one project here? Only that job I selected. I want to trigger that job in Chennai location, correct?
Yes, sir.
For example, let me come to here. So this job also I want to trigger here. Now I don't want master. Select this one. Go to configure. Go to configure and go to restrict where this job can be run. Select this one. Select CHN slave. CHN slave. That's it. Remove that space and all. That's it. So remove that space and all. That's it. Apply. Save. Now build it. Now build it. Now build now. Now anyway build will fail or no problem. Leave it. Now come to here. Now if we come to here, that job come to here or not? That's it. That is our story. Now see here. DevOps dev. Now it is trigger here or not? Okay. Anyone any doubt here? Now this is the master and slave configuration in Jenkins. If you understand concept very simple. If you are not understanding, this is very difficult. In interview also many people they are asking. So what is the Jenkins master slave architecture and how it will work? I hope now you got some idea, right? What is Jenkins master and why you go for slave mission? And if you want to run my job particular slave mission, what are the configuration needed? What are the basic step, basic configuration steps and all? Clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
So I will send document also. Just to follow first time same, and once you get idea, and we can do multiple many ways. Okay. So Jenkins, I have something document master and slave. This is the master and slave. I don't know. This is Windows or Linux. Same steps only. Okay. So I think this is Linux only. So what are the steps we need to configure? I will save. I think this is the Windows. Windows I did. Now just now I explained Linux only. So anyway, both are same only. I will send this document. Just try it your side. And if you have any challenges, if you have any issues, so next class also we can ask. Clear, guys?
Yeah, clear, sir.
So anyone any doubt as of now? So that's it from my side. And so almost we cover. This is very very important. Please try to practice. Please try to practice. And so next class we'll start so pipeline. That is very 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 important. Art of Jenkins. Okay.